up in paradise up above. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again.
Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas. I look like crazy, but whatever, it's fine. Anyways, it's gonna be a busy day. I gotta clean some more. I want to mop the kitchen floors. Oh, that's a surprise. Anyways, it's gonna be a busy day, guys. Very busy day. So I'm just gonna mop the kitchen floors, sweep, mop, and then clean Maddie's room because, oh my god, like, I'm almost embarrassed to show you guys. But this is how dirty it is. I always clean it and she just like literally destroys. I don't know how it got like this. Maddie, stop.
Wait,
yeah, and then I gotta hang up everything that's right here. I have a lot to do, guys, so I'm gonna make her breakfast real quick, and then I'm gonna get to doing all that, and then I'm gonna get ready for the day, get her ready for the day. So yeah, I'm gonna make her some breakfast first, and then do what needs to be done. Kitchen is mopped. I'm so hot right now. I want to mop the like entryway right there, but I need a break and I need the floors to dry so I could go use the mop again. Maddie's in the shower. I like to put her in the shower while I clean, just so she's like out of my way. I think I'm gonna defeat this tomorrow. What happened? What's wrong? What happened? You okay? You're fine. Alright guys, my hair looks so crazy right now. But I also cleaned the room. Look at that. Doesn't it look good? I gotta throw those clothes in the laundry, but And then I gotta fold these clothes. Yeah, that's pretty clean. What's wrong? You ready to get out? You done? Hi guys. So I'm wearing contacts, so they look all different. But we're getting ready to go run some errands. Maddie was hanging out for a bit out of the bath. But I'm gonna get her dressed. The house is clean and nice and mopped. So yeah, we're gonna run some errands. I'm just wearing my Victoria's Secret crew neck with my leggings, and then probably just some moccasins or something. I feel really dizzy right now. I don't know why. I think it's from the contacts. Here, Madison. Whew, I feel so dizzy, my head hurts. I need to change to prescription on my glasses because they're two different prescriptions, so I think that's why it's like messing me up right now. I decided to wear contacts today so I could wear my Ray-Bans because I haven't worn them yet. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear contacts. And then I have all these clothes to fold. I'm not looking forward to that at all. And then here's Maddie's outfit. She's just going to be wearing this unicorn sweater with this light pink unicorn shirt and her sweatpants. Hi guys, so we are at Wells Fargo and the line is extremely long. Yeah, so my plan for today right now is to come to Wells Fargo, then I'm gonna go to Ross because I have to find Josh a dress shirt, and then I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby to find Josh something. I mean, not Josh something. Josh's mom a gift card for her birthday because she likes, like, you know, crafts and stuff, like DIY stuff. So I'm gonna get her a gift card to there. Why are they honking? Anyways, I gotta get her a gift card from there. I'm gonna see if I can find her something from Ross. I'm not entirely sure if I am. And then, yeah, that's my plan. Post office by 3. I have to be there before 3 because I have to ship out something. And then I'm gonna go vacuum the car out, power wash it, and yeah, that's the plan. Okay guys, so I went to Ross to look for a shirt for Josh. I already left the bank. I went to Ross. Say hi guys. And I went to look for a shirt for him. I couldn't find any good looking ones. They were all kind of ugly, to be honest. So now I'm gonna go to Target, get a Starbucks drink, and then look for a shirt for him, and then gonna go to Hobby Lobby, get Josh's mom her gift card. And that's the plan. I did buy Madison some stuff for Christmas. Ross definitely is a place to go if you want to buy cheap toys. Oh my god, guys. I am so tired from all the errands I ran. But I guess I could just do a quick haul for you guys. And show you everything that I got. So we got her this Doc McStuffins little kit. This was at Ross for only, where's the price tag at? For only $13. She was obsessed with this when I put it in the cart. I think it's super cute. It comes with like the little kit, stickers, everything she'll need. So yeah, I got her that. I know she'll love that. And then I got her this Elsa doll, Barbie doll. It has like a vanity, I guess, a brush and a ring and stuff for her to wear, and then the Elsa doll. And then this was only, I think, like $8, so this was super cheap. that's all we got her. She's still getting more stuff, but I wanted to wait to go shopping for Josh because he really wants to go with. And then I got myself these cute little cat ears for when I do my makeup and stuff, and these were only $3. So yeah, I thought they were super cute. I'm more excited about this white one, but yeah, I can't wait to wear them when I do my makeup. And then got Josh's mom this Starbucks mug with hot cocoa mix. And this is at Ross for only $13. I know she'll like that. And then I also got her a $25 gift card for Hobby Lobby. And then I also got her this. She likes to like rustic stuff like this. And this was $20, but I got it for 40% off. So yeah, I know she's going to love this and hang this on her wall. So this is the initial for her last name. I can't wait to give her that. I know she's going to love it. And then, let's see. I got Maddie a stocking stuffer, this little magnetic game set. This was in the dollar section for $3. Didn't really have any good stuff, so I'm going to definitely go back and look for more stuff throughout the week since Christmas is quickly approaching us. And then tonight Josh and I have like this prayer celebration thingy. So I purchased myself this cute sweater. This was $22 from Target. I love it. It looks super comfy and warm. So I thought this would be super cute for just tonight and then to wear for work as well. And then Josh wanted me to find him a shirt, so I got him this like collared shirt. It's a long sleeve and it looks comfy as well too. And this was $18. I couldn't vlog in the stores because everybody knows like with a toddler it's really hard. So I couldn't vlog in the store unfortunately, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm not gonna wrap any of Maddie's gifts until we actually go tomorrow to grab her stuff, and then that's when we'll probably wrap all her presents. Like, because we're gonna buy her more stuff tomorrow. Okay guys, this is a sweater shirt. I'm not quite sure what it is. And then I just added this cute necklace. I like it. It's really comfortable. Yeah. So I'm just going to wear this with my jeans tonight and then my black shoes. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, lunch is done. I made these like bageled wiener dog thingies. They're so good. With some fries. So I'm going to give Maddie her food. Baby!
Nothing is going to get in the way of my vengeance.
Num-nums.
Not anybody. Baby!
These are so good. That's all I'm eating. So I'm just gonna relax for a little bit and just watch some TV, and then after I'm done doing that, I'm gonna take Maddie to the park, vacuum out the car, then come back and do my makeup, because then by then hopefully she'll be asleep and taking a nap. It's 2 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna give it like another hour before we go do all that, because it starts to get dark at 4:30. So I want to take her to the park by like 3:30. Let her run around, then I'm gonna get the car vacuumed and then do everything else. Oh, it's such a long day, guys. I'm so like exhausted and worn out. Alright guys, so I thought the thing that we were going to, like the prayer thing, started at 5, but it actually starts at 4, so I have to start getting ready. Let's see, I need to balance this on something. I swear, I always forget my my tripod upstairs. Alright guys, let's do this. guys, I am done getting ready. Like that highlight on my nose. If you guys are wondering what that is, it's a Mary Lou Manizer, Liquid Mary Lou Manizer highlighter. I got this in my Ipsy bag. So yeah, I did my eyebrows a little bit more thicker today. I'm not sure how I like them, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna do something with this hair and then get dressed and put on some lipstick. Okay guys, so this is my outfit. I just put my hair up, wearing my red lipstick, and then I have my sweater on, and then I'm gonna wear these with my black boots. So yeah, this is it that I'm wearing tonight. I'm not gonna wear that necklace anymore, but yeah, definitely like this sweater. It's so comfy. I did want to wear this my Louis Vuitton with it, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it with it. I'm not really even supposed to be carrying it around because Josh said I'm supposed to wait till Christmas, but whatever. Woo! Look at you.
Okay.